Well, hey there, YouTube. Here's a piggy bank that I keep my nickels in. It's actually an old Quest Payphone. I've got a little phone booth over there from, I guess, the 70s or the 80s that I can put this into, but I just have it on my dresser. And it actually works, but I don't have a landline. When I got the Payphone, I was able to get the coin box for it, but I don't have the key for it. Since Payphones now are becoming a dying breed to see in public anymore. Since, oh damn, I've got this thing loaded. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me, my language. Usually there's a little tilt this down a little bit. Usually there's a lock on this. I haven't opened this up in a while. I got it semi-loaded with nickels. I think that's about all that I'm going to show. I'm not going to, I got to count these. Go through it. See how much change I got in there. Once in a while I'll throw a quarter or a dime in it. It won't accept pennies. But that's what I got to show for now. Little collection I like to come across. Well, thank you again, YouTube. Have a nice day.